First, you had submission. You asked for status to Corona. You want to watch or need money at the moment?
These children were selected after a very vigorous process, and they have been vetted, and we agreed that these are the ones that we can support. Not because those are the only ones who are deserving, but we had quite a number that were deserving. In total, for Elimu scholarships, we had 1,200 applications, and for Wings to Fly, we had 970 applications for the 22 slots that were available. So you can imagine, out of that number, we were only able to pick 22 for Wings to Fly and 138 for Elimu scholarships. So for us, we just want to give a commitment that we will support these children both financially and in terms of mentorship, so that they can achieve the best that is set for them.